Good morning, children. Once again, welcome back to the online class of Sri Gokulam Public School, Guru here. I'm Swati, your IT ma'am. How are you, children? Hope you all are fine. So, children, in our last class, we have discussed about certain chart types and components of a chart. So, is it clear? Yes. So, today we are going to discuss about how to create a chart and how to insert certain components to a chart and also how to format a chart. Okay, so let's see how can we do these things. Children, our first topic is creating a chart. For that, first you have to create a worksheet just like this. Okay, and after that, select the range of cells to be inserted into a chart. So you have to select the cells that you want to present in a chart. Okay, and it should include the column headings and row labels. Okay, after that, you can see this insert tab, click on it. So here you can see different kinds of chart, like as we have already learned in our previous class, column chart, bar chart, line chart, and each chart has its own sub chart types also in its drop down menu. So here I am going to select column chart, and from its drop down menu you can select one chart, just like I am here selecting the clustered column. Okay. So after that you can see the chart will get displayed in the center of the worksheet. You can also move the position of the chart also. Okay. For that you can use move chart location. Okay, in the chart tools category you can see design and format tabs. So these are the two tabs which helps you to edit and format the chart. Okay, so which are those tabs? Design and format tab. And children, if you want to create a chart instantly, you can press the function key F11. Okay, so after selecting the data or range of cells, you can press this function key, that is F11, to create a chart. Okay, and if you want to change the chart type, means if you have already selected a chart type and you need to change that chart type, how can you do that? Yes, so under the design tab, for that you have to select the design tab. In that you can see change chart type option. Here you can see that option. So when you click on it, you can see this dialog box, that is change chart type dialog box. From that you can select any chart type of your choice. Okay, and not only that, under that chart styles group you can see that more button. So when you click on it, you can view all the available styles just like this. Okay, yes, so you can also change the styles of your chart. And children, you can see this option, that is switch row or column. So that is the option which comes under the design tab itself, and it helps you to switch between rows and columns. Okay, to readjust the chart. So these are the different options which are available inside the design tab. And the next is add chart element. Here you can see this is the add chart element. In our previous class we have learned certain chart elements, isn't it? Do you remember, children? So our next topic is how can we add these chart elements to our chart. So now we have created a chart. So into it we have to add different chart elements. So for adding those chart elements, you can use this option, that is add chart element, or at the right corner of your chart you can see this plus sign, and that is the chart elements button through which you can add all the chart elements. So let's see how can we do that. And the first one is how to add a chart title. So first you have to click on this chart element button. So you can see these all options. So from that select the chart title option and select either the above chart or centered overlay option. And then you can see this chart title text box, and there you can type the chart title. Okay, and after typing the title, click outside the chart. So that's how you add a chart title. Okay, and the next is how to add axis title. So just like what we have done earlier, just click on the chart elements button, that is the plus sign. Okay, and there you can see different options. From that, select the axis title and select primary horizontal option to add title for an x-axis, and select primary vertical option to add title for a y-axis. And when you click on this options, the title box will appear and there you can type the titles. Okay, and after that click outside the chart. Okay, so that's how you add axis title, and the next one is how to add data labels. So from that plus button, that is chart elements button, select the data label option, and from its drop down menu you can choose any option. Okay, you can see the different displayed list. From that you can choose any option. And the next is how to add data table. So that's also same like this. Click on the chart element button and click on data table option and choose the desired option from this displayed list. Okay, and the next is how to add legend. So you know legend is a box that identifies the patterns or colors assigned to a data series. Okay, so how can we add legend? Yes, by clicking on this chart element button. Yes, you can see different options. So click on the legend option from those menus and choose any desired option from the displayed list. Okay, so that you can see it will appear on your chart. The last one is how to add grid lines. Okay, so how can we add? For that we can use that first button, that is add chart element button. So when you click on it, you can see these options. From that, select the grid line option, and from the displayed list select any desired option. Okay, so that you can see that grid lines will be added to your chart. So is it easy, children? So for adding these all chart elements, you can either use the add chart element button, or you can use this chart element button at the right side of the chart displayed. Okay, so that's how you add different kinds of chart elements to your chart, and I hope it's clear to you. Children, try to create a chart and add these chart elements into it. Okay, so that it will be more clear to you. So children, that's all for today. Let's see in the next class with some new topics. Till then, take care. Bye.